Indian Railways is exploring the possibility of reducing or completely waiving the clunkage, or as it is called clerical charges, it deducts when refunding fares for unconfirmed waitlisted tickets or cancellations. This move could bring significant relief to passengers. Samir is now joining us with more details on exactly this. Samir, over to you.
The Railway Ministry is exploring the possibility of waiving or the reduction of the clerical charges it deducts when refunding the fare for a ticket which is waitlisted or cancelled by the passengers. Now, this clerical charges, it depends on the class of ticket which is booked. For AC and non-AC, the clerical charge is rupees 60, whereas for the unreserved second class, rupees 30 is the clerical charge which is deducted from the fare when the ticket is either cancelled or waitlisted. Now, Railway Ministry is mulling this option and is in discussion with IRCTC based on the ground that in the recent past, the online ticketing, the online reserved ticketing, the percentage has got significantly higher. As of now, of the total tickets which are booked, roughly around 85 to 87% ticket is being booked through IRCTC website, which means that online ticketing has gained a significant pace, and this has led to a reduction in the operational expense when it comes to the ticketing part. And these are the grounds based on which now the Railway Ministry is exploring this option to either waive off or remove the clerical charge. Now, this clerical charge is basically deducted, but it is being shared with the Railway Ministry. The part which is kept by IRCTC is the convenience fee. So, this clerical charge entirely goes to the railways, but the convenience fee which is deducted when you are booking a ticket, which is rupees 30 for the AC class ticket and rupees 15 for non-AC class. Now, that convenience fee is kept by IRCTC. Now, these two charges are entirely deducted from the fare, and that is being shared between railways and IRCTC. But now, with the reduction in the operational expense, railways is looking to either waive off or reduce the clerical charge. And if that happens so, then it will be a good relief for the passengers, especially those who are booking tickets through the IRCTC platform.
Samir, thanks so much for joining us.